Okay, I'm making a video of how to make Dr. Susie's homemade vegetable soup using, you can use all organic products. You can make your own tomato sauce if you want, and lemon juice, or you can use what you have in the house, okay? Right now I have this big pot. I don't know how big it is, but you kind of get the idea. And at the same time I'm boiling some cage-free vegetarian fed eggs, okay, because this is boring. Um, okay, so here you see, like, I brought some tomato sauce, and I use a can of, which isn't that healthy, but I use a can of organic tomato sauce, but you can also use tomato paste, but you just have to stir it more. And I put that this much water, purified water, which I have in my house from a spigot, um, and so about a quarter or third. And I'm gonna add a little vegetable broth to mine, um, and so that's all boiling. So now comes the fun part. Okay, here you see, I have a cutting board, and I have about this much cabbage, okay? I have chopped up my potatoes, and so I had two kind of medium-sized potatoes, kind of small, um, and two fairly large onions. So you want the onions for the flavor. And because I'm kind of lazy at the moment because I haven't been feeling well, because I'm using your bottled lemon juice. I chopped up my cabbage, and it's all on my cutting board with the big scary knife, okay? Yeah. So, and there's the top of the pot. Okay, so I did put in the olive oil, and I can't tell you how much, but there's maybe like less than 2 tablespoons, I guess. I'll just throw stuff in there. Okay, so then I'm gonna put this in, and then I'm gonna, and I already tasted it. Of course, it already tastes yummy. And I'm gonna put in this stuff, and then I'm gonna put my lemon juice and my seasonings. I'll be tasting it all the way through. And my eggs are still boiling. Okay, so here we go. I'll be back. Okay, I just dumped all that stuff on the cutting board into the pot. So this is why you can see I can't start out with too much water. Now I'm going to stir it up. So I'll be back. But it's taking me a little longer than usual because I'm trying to keep my kitchen clean. Okay, I see. Okay, it's all stirred up. And I put in probably about a half a cup of lemon juice. Um, and so I have room for some more water. I probably put too much cabbage in here. So, cause I like it to be soupy. I mean, like, a lot of liquid, and it's really filling. So, but I eat as much as I feel like. This one needs to simmer, but I'm gonna add some water now. It's about this much. Was it this cup was full? So now you see, I don't have much room left, and I'm gonna season it and taste it and let this sit a little bit, turning up the heat. Okay, so you wanna, yeah, I'll have it all the way on hot because I'm impatient. Okay, I'll just, before I stir and put the top back on, I just wanted to mention like how much spices, garlic, oh, I forgot my celery seed. Usually I put celery in her too, but I don't have any right now. And I didn't have any carrots, so I usually put carrots in her too. So, to put in my lemon juice, oh, I already said that. And I since I'm on a high sodium diet, I put in I put in a lot. I can't even tell you. I just like, throw the shaker and almost cover the top with a layer of that. And you can see the pepper in there and garlic. And I'm going to put my celery seed and a lot of garlic because I like it tangy and tasty. That's why I put the lemon juice in it too. And I'm going to stir this up and prepare my beans on frozen vegetables because I'm making it the lazy way. Okay, my kitchen's still clean. Okay. Okay, now I guess is the boring part because I'm letting everything get soft that I put in there. But I already have my bowl out on my ladle. Okay, I threw in the frozen vegetables and so it was boiling. I'm putting the top back on because the longer you can have this cooking, the better. But you definitely want to make sure if you have potatoes or carrots in there that they're soft. So I've done many taste tests already. Don't burn yourself. Okay, well, just enough room. Gonna boil over. I have to start, but I added garbanzo beans and red kidney beans. After everything, the hard stuff was all soft and my vegetables were cooked. So that just took a few minutes. So now I'm gonna stir it up and let it simmer just while I wipe up around here. I might also put some more lemon juice, cause like I said, I like it tangy. I might put more spices. I tasted it, and it's yummy. I can't wait. My eggs probably done, so now that my strainer's free, I'm gonna rinse those off while this simmers. Oh, but pretend I stirred it. Okay. Okay, it's done. Make sure you turn off the stove. On my eggs, I rinse and put in the refrigerator. And I do have a little bit of a mess, but not too bad for me, which I'm not going to deal with now. I give myself permission to rest. So I'm going to put the top back on, but look at that, all ready to go. Yummy, so healthy, full of all kinds of electrolytes. Yeah, so I can't wait. I may have 2 bowls. Okay, and it's on a little tray because I'm not coordinated. And as you saw, my kitchen is pretty clean. And yeah, ready to go. One more thing. I don't want you to see any bad food in my kitchen. But yeah, there's a few bad things here. So the one thing is you want to have like the cabbage pretty soft. Kind of hard to tell if it's a cabbage or onion at this point. So I like mine to have more liquid, so I'll probably add more water to this before I put the top back on. And when I said simmer before, I did have it on low heat. I adjust the heat as I go. So everything's all the spices are put away, everything's put away, which is amazing for me, especially because I don't feel really well. And even the ladle is clean. I just have a couple spoons for my taste test. Mmm, yummy. Okay. And I'm ready to go. Yeah. I'm going to put the top on. Forget about this for now. Let it sit a little bit. There's nothing bad in here that's going to go bad. While I let the pot cool. Now, if you've noticed that you put too many ingredients in and it's overflowing, you can always go back to the pot you used to make your eggs. So, and try and use your ladle and put some in there while you put some more liquid in here. So use as much of you as you want of anything. It comes out differently every time. This batch, I must say, for being as tired as I am, I'm looking forward to feeling better. that I finally got up and made this. And I started about, I don't know, half hour ago. Yeah, everything's put away. It's great. So, and I even have eggs for my protein. Oh, and I do eat like um, almonds and to get protein because I was asked about that. So yeah, it's hard. So there it is. There you go. You have it. You can put anything you want. Make your own signature blend and let me know how it tastes. I don't eat any animal, like except a little bit of very pure dairy. Those eggs were like cage-free, vegetarian, fed, all that stuff, organic. Okay, enjoy. I'm gonna go eat before my soup gets cold. But there's always more. Bye. I can't believe I made a cooking video.